Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I am sharing some unique tips for gardening, especially the fruit plant growing. I'll tell you some for sure that which technique you can use so that you can get the best quality of fruits. If you are growing plants in your garden or if you are growing plants in your terrace garden in pots, same thing you can apply. Many a times what happens if the plants grow and the fruits comes in your plants, later on what happens, many of the insects attack, fungus attacks, and you finally the fruits are rotten. Here I am showing the what you can use. You can use fruit bag, and these are the fruit bags I have bought from Amazon. Or if you want, you can get these fruit bags from Amazon or Flipkart. These are easily available, and these fruit bags are I bought it 100 piece in 400 rupees. This is double layered. I bought it 4 rupees per piece from Amazon, and this is a wire so that you can bind it the fruits. Here some hole at the bottom so that moisture or water can come out from here and the fruit can get the respiration from here. And another kind of fruit bag available, I bought it 100 piece in 300 rupees, and this is also same kind of thing, but see, this is single layer. Here is some hole for the emission of water or respiration purpose. If the fruit size is around 50 gram of especially mango or guava, you can use this fruit bag, and what will happen, the fruit plant the fruits will not be attacked by insects or any fungal infection, or the birds will not attack your fruits. So fruits will be very safe. Fruit size will be much bigger, better, and finally the matured fruit will be much tastier. So I will share you how to use this fruit bag in your garden or in your fruit. This is the very simple technique. I will show you. Just learn the process how to use fruit bags. There are many advantages if you use this fruit bag. So no need of using any kind of insecticide or fungicide, so the fruits will be safe from any of the chemical hazards. Here this is a fruit of around 50 gram size. Just put the fruit inside the bag. Here you can see at the half of this bag, and then this is here. You just bend it here, this kinds of here, and just turn around your wire here and tie your wire here. Very simple. Just keep it here. Don't make it very harsh so that the peduncle should not break. So here this is a very simple method. I am another showing you. So this is another fruit. This is a bigger fruit, but you have to do it early, and when the fruit is around 40 to 50 gram. That is the nice time to grow. Just squeeze it here and then tie the wire here, and very simple method. It will take maximum, it will take 1 minute per fruit. So if the fruit size, if you want the fruit size will be bigger, then you can use one fruit per one fruit bag, or the fruit size is very small, then you can grow the bunches of fruit in one bag also if the fruit size is very small. So I am showing you another fruit plant here. This is my haribanga plant mango. I am showing you, and this is size is around bigger, but around 100 gram weight, but you have to use it when the fruit size is around 50 gram. Just see how to use fruit bag, and keep it for around 2 months or 1 month, and that will receive much sunlight here, and a proper respiration would be there, that will be protected from any kind of rain, thunderstorm, every kind of huge scorching sun ray. They will protect the fruits. Here some guava plants are here, and I am showing two fruits. I am showing how to use, removing the leaves from here and bagging it properly. Very simple. Everyone can do it. If you are growing fruit plants in your terrace gardening in your big container, then you must use fruit bags. That will protect you from the birds, from the eating up of birds, or from the bats, you can protect from insects. Many of the fruit borer insects you can save, and you can the fruit will be safe from any insecticide hazards or any kind of fungicide hazards. Fruit size will be much bigger, fruit quality will be better, and there won't be on any spot here in any kind of fruit. So you can get best quality of fruit. And if you are growing for in commercial purpose, then this is very easy, and that is better. But these bags are much costlier in Amazon or Flipkart. If you go for in wholesale market directly physically, if you buy, you can get it in around 2 rupees per piece. So you can grow, and if you are growing in terrace gardening or home gardening, you must use these fruit bags, and they are every kind of facility are here in this fruit bag. So this is very easy. So hope you can learn this process, and next time when you are growing any of the fruit plants, you will be using fruit bag, and you can use this easily. So my Mali is Bides is using this fruit bag and tagging it, and you can keep it, and this is reusable, you can use it again and again. So hope you find this video valuable. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I will share you the updates of the fruits after around 1 month. When the fruit will mature, then I will show you the fruits condition here. So hope you find this valuable. If you want this, please like, share and subscribe my channel.